Hi everybody, Pierre from Reception Academy. Today, we are going to discuss the correction of the exercise 11 from our home study guide. Please note, this tutorial video has been designed for students taking the Opera PMS home study course. If you don't have already access to the software, you could find more information about the course on our website. I have added the course link to the video description below, and you could get Opera PMS installed and tag along. You just have to click on book now. So for this exercise, I've got a reservation under the name of John Doe, so I open it quickly for you. It is a booking for 2 adults for 3 nights arriving today. Guest wants a universal adapter. So first you want it to go to your item inventory. Click on the drop down menu, select new. From your list, select your universal adapter, press OK. You don't need to change the dates, you don't need to change the quantity, you just need to click on OK. Press OK to close your form and press save. The system will prompt you with a message telling you inventory items have been found with trace text. Create trace text. Click yes. The system will create the trace for you, confirm the content and press OK. The next thing you want it to do is you want it to make an alert to collect that adapter upon departure. So click on options, select alerts, select from your list the adapter, which is the top one, and select checkout as an area. Then you want to press OK, and you want to click close on your alerts window. Close your reservation options, and save. Add guest address details. So you want to go to your profile ellipsis, just here, and then you want to type in the address. Ensure the casing is correct. So each word should start with a capital letter. Once you are done with your address, press OK, and save. Your guest would like to check in at 8 AM. So you want to go to your specials and you want to find the code EA, which stands for early arrival. If you don't remember, click on the drop down menu. Then you press tab and you will be prompted by this panel saying, do you want to attach a special to the profile? As it is a one-off, say no. And you want to add the time of arrival, which is 8 o'clock in the morning, so 0800. Press save. Your guest always wants 5 extra pillows in his room prior to arrival. So you have 2 things to do. The first one was to create a trace for this stay and also to record it to the profile. So I will start with a trace, click on options, go to traces, click on new, select the housekeeping department, and type in your message. Please arrange 5 additional pillows prior to arrival. What you want to do is you want to copy that message with Ctrl and C and press OK, close, and close your reservation options window. And then, in order to record it to the profile, you have to access the profile of the guest via the ellipsis. Click on options, and you want to select notes. Here you will select the housekeeping department, so housekeeping notes, you type in a title, extra pillows, and you want to paste your message. However, because it's a profile note, it will be, please always arrange 5 additional pillows prior to arrival. Once you're happy with your profile note, you just need to click on OK. And close your individual notes window and press OK on your guest profile. And save. Your guest will be in the gym from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock on the second day of the stay. So we wanted to go to options, locator, and because it's not on the first day, it will be on the second day, so you put +1, press tab, it updates also the end date, and you wanted to put the time, so it was 3 o'clock, 1500, 1700. So then once you're in location text, you wanted to go to your ellipsis. Here you may have guest is in the gym. In case you don't have it, just select any other, press OK, and just change the word is faster. So instead of bar, I put gym. And here what I wanted to do is press OK. My locator has been created. I press close on the locator's window. I press close on my reservation options window. And I click save. Your guest always wants a quiet room and a low floor. Go to Features, select Quiet Room and Low Floor, Quiet Room and Low Floor, click on OK. As your guest always wants it, you say yes to attach it to the profile, and save. Create and attach a company profile. I will go to my company, drop down menu, so I type in Reception Academy, click on Search, and here I've got different results. This one is the correct one. In case you didn't have a matching result, you can always click on New. So I double click to show you the profile. The profile's got the correct address and the correct contact details. I just press on OK. As my guest was set on leisure, now that I have attached a company profile, I need to update the market to corporate. So click on my drop-down menu, and I select corporate, and I click save. As your guest is arriving today, fairly early, and there is an adapter as well as some extra pillows, I will assign a room to the booking in advance, and I will also add in comments, do not move and the reason why. This is something that I used to do in my hotel, and I will show you. I go to my room, I assign a room. Ideally, it should have been empty from the previous night. I press on OK. And I want to go to my commands, POA, and I want to put a star, DNM, for do not move, do not change room number, and then I explain why. So pillows and universal adapter. And once you are happy with that, you click on save. The next step is to check in your guest, and after that we need to go to cashiering billing. So what I will do is I will accelerate the process until we reach cashiering billing. I've now opened the bill of the guest, and as you can see, the alerts that we set will appear. The one for checkout about collecting the adapter. I click on OK. And here we have to post some items. So I click on post. And so the first was a massage. So massage is delivered by the spa. It was for £75. And I go to reference and I write down massage to specify what type of spa. Was it a therapy or treatment or so. Then I want to post a dinner. So let's put restaurant and select dinner food. The food was for £50. Then press enter, and then you have the dinner beverage. So again, restaurant, and 6 times select dinner beverage, and that was for £12. Then we had to post internet in room. So internet, press tab, internet in room, £10. Then I had to post a breakfast food for £20. So here you write down again restaurant, press tab, select restaurant breakfast food, £20, center to go to the next line. Then I had to post a newspaper, so here newspaper, press tab. The system asks me if I want to post an article, I say yes, and I select the newspaper, which was The Guardian. So which is here, center to go to the next line. Now after that I had to post a minibar item, so mini, and then yes, I want to post an article, and it was a red wine. Press enter. Then we had to take a cash deposit of £100. I will explain you that in a second. Let me do the rest of the charges, yeah? So I had to post 2 pillows, £35 each. So to do so, that's a miscellaneous. So £35 each pillow. We put quantity 2, and here you write down 2 pillows, and you press enter, and then my guest had a room service lunch. So I put room for room service, and then we say lunch, and that was food, I believe. Okay, it's not specified, so let's put food, £26. And finally, we had to post a taxi. So a taxi is paid out. So paid out, that was £50, and that was a taxi to go to City Airport. So taxi to City Airport. Press enter, number of copy I don't need it, I press close, and then I just need to close my form, and all my charges will appear on my guest bill. The guest gives £100 cash deposit towards the balance. To process it, you need to click on payment, and then you will record it as a cash payment, and he gave £100. So you type in 100, press tab, and click post. And as you can see, the £100 by cash have been posted to the bill. Now we need to give 20% discount on entire dinner. That's a special offer. To do so, select both items from the dinner, make a right click, select Adjust Transaction, then select Adjust by Selected Posting, press OK. In your reason code, you want to select Promotion, Promotional Discount, then you want to select Percentage, and it was 20%, so you need to change it to 20%, and here you write down, and once you're happy, you just need to press OK. The system prompts you that he has been adjusting two charges, press OK, and here you can see on the bill that the plus and the minuses are here. Your guest wants a bill under the company name for the taxi and internet. You will pay that bill on departure with the following credit card. Ensure it has been updated in the system. Right, so what you wanted to do is you wanted to perform a right click, select new window, and here you wanted to move your items. So we said the internet and the taxi, which was your paid out. Now, we need to rename that bill under the company name. To do so, click on Options. Select Routing. At the top of the form, click on Window. Where it's a name, click on the drop-down menu. As we have attached the Reception Academy, it's already popping up, so we make it easier for you. Press OK. We want to rename the window too, so we just need to press OK to move on. And here, because the guest wanted to pay with different cards than the card he gave at check-in, you just have to go to Payment. So here we need to select the window 2 under the name of Reception Academy, our company. And that was a MasterCard. And type in the credit card number. And then you wanted to add the expiry date, which was 0525. And in the authorization rule, you need to select one, select amount. As the credit card is only for extras under the company name, you want to block £150. And then I press on OK. Now I close my routing instruction window. My system prompts me, do I want to refresh folios? If I say yes, my both charges on window 2 will go back to window 1, so I say no. And I close my billing options window. My window 1 is under John Doe with a credit card ending by 2170, the MasterCard. And my window 2 is under Reception Academy with a MasterCard ending by 7337. So exercise number 11 is now corrected. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.